What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're at my dad's house. We got the John Deere X350 out here, Craftsman push mower right outside the window, Ryobi trimmer, and a Husqvarna blower. I'm going to start a little bit of a mowing vlog, episode 1. I'm here with Ryan. Want to tell everybody why you got pajama pants on?
Not really sure, just cozy.
I mean, it is cold out here, and you know, you gotta have those old clothes for the yard clothes. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little mowing vlog for you, maybe 5-10 minutes, and we'll have some fun. You have anything else to say?
Nope.
Do you like mowing or no? That's what I'm talking about. All right, so this is the John Deere X350, same tractor Alan Hayne, the lawn care nut, has. Got a Craftsman 22 out there, like I said, Husqvarna. What's that? 360 BT, not a bad little blower, and Ryobi trimmer. I have the same one, so it's actually not too bad, but on the GoPro here. So let's go ahead and get to work. So the lawn hasn't been mowed in about a week and a half. Look at that. What's going on, guys? I just finished up weed whacking and I am about to go ahead and get mowing on the tractor, and we're gonna see how everything goes. John Deere X350. Let's get to it. So if any of you guys are wondering what I'm doing here, I am just mulching the leaves up. So I'm not really picking a mowing pattern because this John Deere X350 doesn't really stripe very well. Next year I am going to be bringing my Toro Titan here, so hopefully we'll be able to get some mowing footage and some stripes on this lawn. And for here, I'm actually across the street at my dad's on our property over there. And as you can see, I am just discharging all the leaves off to the left. There weren't very many scattered across the lawn, so I just took this method, opened the discharge chute, and shooting them all off into the woods on the left, and then making a pass going up on the right side, just mulching anything else that's left. This is a pretty effective way to do this, despite it does take a lot longer because you're going over everything like 2 to 3 times more than you have to. This tractor doesn't really stripe anyway. Well guys, that's pretty much gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. As you can see, got all the leaves cleaned up, nice and sharp, as well as over here. Oh yeah, looking pristine. I'm super happy about that. Just a quick little mowing vlog for you guys. Nothing crazy. Got all the leaves up the street blown off too. So I don't know, a couple hours I was out here just kind of messing around, getting stuff done. So anyway guys, that's really all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed coming along. I wanted to quickly mention today's date is actually, doesn't show on my watch, October 31st. So it's Halloween today, so we're getting the lawn nice and prepped up for Halloween, but that's not the real reason I wanted to mention that. But actually, I'm just wrapping up this edit right now, as you can see back here. The real reason I wanted to hold this video is because today is actually Christmas. So if you're seeing this on Christmas, Merry Christmas to you and your family. I hope you guys enjoyed a quick little mowing vlog. I figured I'd save it from Halloween all the way until Christmas so you guys would have some mowing to enjoy on Christmas, because that's not something everybody gets to do, because they're either going back and watching old footage or not watching any mowing at all. So I figured, why not hold the mowing until then? You guys might really enjoy that, and I hope you did. Put together this little vlog for you guys. Thought it would be pretty fun. More to come on my dad's lawn. Leave me a comment down below what you think about it. We've been treating it all this season. I think it's going really, really well. Let me know what you think. Other than that, we'll kick it back to the video. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions, leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Ace on Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.